Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Are you ready to supercharge your financial future? Because today, we have something truly special for you. Today, we're diving into a game changer for all you savvy women investors out there. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, these tips are designed to help you maximize your returns and minimize your tax liabilities. We're unveiling 7 tax hacks every female investor must know in 2024. These hacks are not just tips. They are strategies that can transform your financial landscape. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these strategies are tailor-made to empower you. So grab a notebook and pen, because you'll want to jot these down. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about those hidden tax deductions many female investors overlook. From home office expenses to investment-related costs, there are numerous deductions that can significantly reduce your taxable income. Many investors miss out on these simply because they are not aware of them. Make sure you're capturing all the expenses you're entitled to. This includes everything from office supplies to software subscriptions that aid in your investment activities. Next, we have smart investment strategies designed to maximize your tax benefits. This is where you can really make your money work for you. Think tax-efficient investments like municipal bonds or index funds, which can help you keep more of your returns. These investments are structured to minimize the amount of tax you pay, allowing you to grow your wealth more effectively. Hack number 3, understanding tax-efficient accounts. This is crucial for long-term financial health. Learn about Roth IRAs, health savings accounts, and other investment vehicles that offer significant tax advantages tailored for women investors. These accounts not only provide tax benefits, but also offer flexibility and growth potential. The 4th hack is all about keeping accurate records. This might seem tedious, but it's incredibly important. Organizing your documents throughout the year can save you from headaches during tax season and ensure you're not missing out on any deductions. Use digital tools and apps to keep everything in one place. Hack number 5, leveraging tax credits designed specifically for women. These credits can provide substantial savings. Explore available credits that can directly benefit your financial situation and boost your returns. Consult with a tax advisor to ensure you're taking full advantage of these opportunities. Tip 6 is about planning your taxes year-round, not just at tax time. This proactive approach can make a huge difference. Regularly reviewing your tax strategy can help you make adjustments and optimize your tax outcomes. Schedule quarterly reviews to stay on top of your financial game. And finally, our 7th hack, using resources and tools to stay informed about tax law changes. The tax landscape is always evolving. From apps to newsletters, staying updated is key to making informed decisions. Join webinars, subscribe to financial news, and set up alerts to keep yourself informed. So there you have it, 7 powerful tax hacks to enhance your investing strategy in 2024. These tips are designed to empower you and help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial empowerment is about knowledge and action. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering financial content. Your support helps us bring you more valuable insights. Let's take control of our finances together. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay financially savvy and empowered.